ABVX stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Abivax stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, no one else in the stock trading space has done well over 43,000 videos and documented them all over 5 years, except me. And I've documented it all, by the way. And with ABVX, I'm seeing some bullishness, you know what I mean? Like, we've started shifting above some certain ranges, and that's a very great sign for me, in my eyes. What I'll do, though, is just mark up the top here. And it's just that only if the price does pull down a bit and gives me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to take it further up. But like, bro, randomly buying will just not be happening. Very, very freaking simple. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules to be met. ABVX, I've got around... yeah, no receipts whatsoever, but this is the 1 hour chart. Definitely could be something that we can work with as long as the rules are met, and if they're not met, then so be it. You know, I'm not gonna randomly buy though, so stay tuned. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, and stay tuned, click the first link in the description. It's free.